Hey, what's going on everyone? My name is clacking and welcome back to the channel. Quick question. Do you like this noise? Now, I don't know about you, but that annoys me. Well, let me show you something cool. Cue the intro. This is the Orbitkey Key Organiser. What I love about it is it allows me to keep all of my keys tidy, free of that god-awful noise, as well as have my car keys and AirTag connected. So Orbitkey actually sent one out to me a few months back and I've been using it every single day since. My desk mat is also from them and it's been a really awesome addition to the workspace. This video is not sponsored by them, they didn't tell me to make it, I just genuinely love their stuff. Starting off with the design of the organizer is really slim and compact. Built to store 2 to 7 keys, they stack up on top of each other inside. The screw on top secures the keys so they won't be dangling around and making all that noise. This also prevents scratches if you throw them in your pocket, but of course I advise you not to put these anywhere near any sort of expensive gadget because you don't want to do that. The build quality is superb and you can pick from 3 different materials. There's leather, which has a few options: full grain, Saffiano, I think I'm pronouncing that right, and Crazy Horse. Then there's also cactus and the active style made of polymer. My original organizer, the one I've been using for a while, is the active polymer and it's held up really well. It is the most durable of all of them because it's both water and dust proof. This will be ideal for anyone who's going to be on the move a lot but always wants to have their keys on them. So if you're going on walks and runs all the time, this is definitely the better option. The leather versions on the other hand feel fantastic. You can definitely tell these are high quality and built to last. I was able to get my hands on both the Saffiano and Crazy Horse versions and can say that first impressions, they definitely feel a lot better than the active one. The D-ring on the bottom is where you can connect a key ring to attach other accessories like a key fob or an AirTag. Orbitkey sells their own key ring, but you can use just about anyone. Like, I don't even know where I got this one, but it's worked fine so far. One neat accessory that you can purchase to go along with your organizer is the Orbitkey clip. This allows you to connect your keys to a backpack or a pair of jeans for quick access. It uses a magnetic release system, so taking them off is a really simple procedure. One of the biggest issues that I've had with other clips is that it's just a pain to try to get your keys off of it. However, with this one, just a quick pull does the job. As a student, this is super convenient because I don't want to always be walking with my keys in my pocket, so I just throw them in the bag and then as needed, quickly take them out. I've been really impressed by the build quality of the clip, but also the magnet. It has a strong hold on there, but the pull tab makes it really easy to use. It does come in at $40, so it's not the cheapest, but I can definitely see myself getting a lot of use out of this. Another handy accessory that you can grab is the multi-tool, also by Orbitkey, which has a bunch of different uses. It has a really high quality stainless steel build and can be connected to your organizer just like any other key for quick access. You can easily open up packages, which is extremely convenient for someone like myself who's always trying out new gadgets for review. Also nice is the Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, so if ever I'm in a crunch and need to swap out a PC component real quick, I can just whip out my keys. Then there's also a bottle opener, which of course I have no use for. Both an imperial and metric ruler are on here, but it's quite small, so I'm not really sure what you're measuring. Then, ooh, I like this one, a letter opener, which is great because I don't even try anymore to open up envelopes. I just completely rip them open like there's no tomorrow. And then finally, you got a coarse file and pry bar. So in a very small form factor, you get a really handy tool that, like I said, is just with your keys, so it's extremely convenient to use. And for $12, I don't think that's too bad. As I mentioned earlier, one of the various accessories you can attach to your key organizer is the Apple AirTag. I've had mine on here since the day it arrived and it's been great. I'm using the Belkin keyring holder, which for the price has worked well, but like most people I'd imagine, it gets really scratched up still. Luckily, I haven't had the chance to actually use the AirTag to track these, knock on wood, so I guess that's a good thing. Being integrated with Apple's Find My ecosystem, I get notifications if I ever leave the house without the keys or can pull up the app if I ever need to locate them. Having it connected on here does make the holder a little less discreet, but I think it's worth it because it's definitely better than having everything dangling around on one single ring. So those are all the accessories that I've used on here so far and recommend checking out, but there are still a few more from Orbitkey, such as the USB memory stick, a nail file, and the Chipolo tracker. Now it's basically just a third-party AirTag, however it's $40, so it's more than an actual AirTag. So if you're on an iPhone, I don't see why you'd even consider buying this. At the time of making this video, Orbitkey are selling some gift sets which bundle their key organizer with either the multi-tool or clip, and I think these are a great thing to give to yourself or just someone you think would love to have one of these. The packaging is super clean, I'm a big fan of it, and then the organizers themselves are limited edition styles that look really good. In the multi-tool set, you can get the organizer in a black color with blue stitching or a chestnut brown color with black stitching. And then in the clip bundle, it's black color with kind of like grayish stitching. And with that, you have the Orbitkey Key Organizer along with their multi-tool tool and clip accessories. As far as pricing goes, you can pick up the active organizer for $24.90 or the leather ones for $43.50. They're not the cheapest, but you definitely get what you pay for. The key organizer is a handy tool with fantastic build quality. In the 4+ months of using it, I've only had good things to say. I'll have links in the description if you want to check out anything I went over in the video. To those of you who made it to this point in the video, I want to say thank you, I really appreciate it. If you want to see more tech related content in the very near future, be sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks again for watching, and take care.